Seniors testing new technologies, an uncommon sight. But not at the InnoRenew CoE International Conference. In a rapidly ageing Europe, smart ideas are needed to make the lives of older adults better. The Pharaon project is here to tackle this challenge. Technology such as smartwatches to track vital signs, sensors to monitor indoor environments, and platforms to promote social interaction were presented at the testing event in Isola. These solutions were experienced firsthand by older adults and dedicated caregivers who had the chance to provide invaluable feedback, ensuring that the technology truly meets their needs. The result? Open arms and lots of enthusiasm. From monitoring health to fostering social connections and making nurses' lives easier, Pharaon technologies are set to transform the way we age, enabling older adults to be healthier, happier, and more independent. Join us in shaping a future where technology empowers us all, regardless of age.